Hey you guys, I just wanted to share how you're going to find the assessment that I shared for character traits in CTLS. So just go to assessments at the top. I'm obviously under assess. Go to assessments and go to search. And you want this to say shared, because I shared it with you. Then in this box it says search description, you can just put RL3. Make sure you select 4th grade and then English Language Arts. Once you do that, you can hit search. And the one that I shared obviously has my name there. You can look at it first before you decide to assign it, but it's a pretty short passage. It's the same passage over and over for each question. It's the same one. So they're not reading a new passage. It's just there with each question, so they don't have to keep flipping back. So, you know, if you need to read over this, if you have students where you can read aloud, whatever, you can do that. But it's a simple passage and then questions that relate to standard RL3. If you like this assessment and you want to use it, just go back to search over here. And you'll just want to create a copy of the assessment, and that's where you can go through the steps of administering it for your students. So good luck.